All right, guys, daily driver stuff here. I have a tire pressure light, obviously due to the weather being the way it is. I have multiple other lights too that I'm actually going to show you guys how to reset, but first and foremost, we'll get into the tire pressure light. So I guess I could turn the car on. So it stays on. This is another light that I'll get into. But anyway, how you reset this light. Glove box, pop it. I'm going to turn the key to the on position. It is on the on position. You'll see right up top right there that there is a button. I'm going to hold it for, I think, like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close my glove box. Look back. And there you go. Oh, focus. And there you go. Now that light is cleared. So I'm going to show some other lights on how to get that stuff, but quick and easy video.